kinakabahan na kami sobra. Okay. Dapat pala i-document ko yung moments. Okay, so this is gonna be the first clip of the documentation in preparation for the meeting de avance. Hello, I am running for the position of treasurer and I am nervous. I think 5 minutes na lang and we're gonna have to enter the Zoom meeting. Kinakabahan talaga ako kasi it's my first time to attend the meeting de avance as a candidate. Although sure balls naman nanalo, pero kasi ano lang, wala akong kalaban. Pero hello, may Q&A. Kinakabahan na kami, wala pang link, pero okay, so kakasabi lang sa amin na the meeting will be continued at 3 p.m. kasi there are technical difficulties. And oh my god, more time for us to prepare, pero it's so nerve-wracking. Gusto ko na talaga siyang ituloy para wala nang isipin, para tapos na talaga agad. As of now, hindi pa ako nakakapag-breakfast or lunch kasi masyadong kinakabahan dito. Kailangan mamaya i-show natin yung bangs na yan. Grabe, baka maging ganito ko mamaya. So, I moved places kasi ang pangit pala ng perlipat ako. But this is my room. I just moved kasi nakauwi na ang mama and I don't want to speak in front of her kasi I know that she'll judge me and mawawala yung focus ko. I also have my ano tawag dyan? Ring light.
Places we're running for the positions of
Friends turn. Tapos na ako pero I did well naman. Mas cute yung bangs ko dito
contribute
kesa
as a
dito.
contributing factor.
Nakasagot na ako sa tanong and
And now let's move on to our
I'm
Vice
so happy that I
President for
answered
Internal and External Affairs.
effectively, but it's still not done. Still not
Rebecca
over, so
Parma, you're the one
kabado
involved
pa
with the
rin.
independent, okay?
We're officially done with the meeting. And all I can say is, grabe, like, super, it's so nerve-wracking kasi considering that this is my first time to run in a position na kailangan ko talaga patunayan yung sarili ko. Kasi yung iba naman, ako, pinipili lang nila ako. Hindi ko kailangan paghirapan yung position ko kasi my classmates know that I can do well. But in here, you have to really prove yourself to everyone for them to see your worth, for them to see your purpose, and everything. Ang hirap. Lalo na kung wala ka namang masyadong experience sa public speaking and you're really afraid and you're more with actions. So, yeah, it's a challenging thing for me. This is one of the risks that I took. That it is actually one of my goals. Kasi dati I'm not really a very student leader kind of student kasi pa-chill-chill lang ako. I am an honor student but more on chill. Ayoko ng mga sakit sa ulo kasi ayokong hindi a-attend ng klase. Kasi 'di ba mga officers, sa student organization, na-excuse sila sa class kasi they have to manage the event or activity. And I didn't really want to be involved in that kasi ayokong hindi uma-attend ng klase. Kahit wala akong assignment, kahit wala akong alam, gusto ko nandun pa rin ako sa klase. Kasi iba pa rin kapag na-attend ka ng klase. ano pa ba? It's really, ayun nga, super nice. And finally, makakain ako. It's 5 o'clock na and hindi pa ako nakain. Kasi I'm so nervous with the result, with how I will represent myself in front of, well, not the online segment really helped, but it's still nerve-wracking. Umipat ako ng kwarto kasi nandun ang mama. Eh, hindi ako makakasagot ng maayos kapag may ibang tao. For now. Well, in the future, I will work on it. I will work more on it. Pag-ibin, ang mabilis.